Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium for the month of May 2020. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box of various memberships with different prices. And the one that I'm going to be unboxing today is $35 a month, which it includes 6 to 7 full-size products. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. It's a huge box compared to the base box. Okay, so let's start. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this month the theme is Mother Nature. This is the card with all the details of the items that I received. And it is really cool because this month was Mother's Day. So I hope you guys had a good Mother's Day, by the way. And yeah, that's the whole theme, Mother Nature, Mother's Day for the month of May. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking out the products. Okay, the first thing I see here is really cool. I chose this item. It's from Too Faced and it is a bronzer. It's a chocolate gold Soleil Longwear gilded bronzer, sorry. Okay, this is a bronzer. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, this packaging, look at this. I love it. It's so like luxurious. Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate. Wow, I'm in love with this bronzer. As you can see, it has like a little shimmer, gold shimmers. So I think it's gonna fit me well. So I'm gonna probably try this out in another video or something and let you guys know if I like it. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my finger. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's chocolate. You can see it here. It has like those little golden shimmers. I think it's perfect. I really like this one. Let me see the price of this. Okay, so where is it? Okay, so it's $30. That's the retail value. At the end, I'm gonna be adding up all these products that I received to see the total value of the box. And usually for the premium box, it's $175. Okay, so next item I see here. Oh, okay, so it's Kevyn Aucoin. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but it's the Expert Mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open to see the packaging, but I'm not gonna open to see the wand. I'll probably insert like a picture here or something because I don't want to open it. I already have like a bunch of mascaras opened already without like using it, and they go to waste, you know. So this is the packaging. It feels like really like heavy, you know. So it's nice. It's gold. I like it. Well, I know it's Kevyn Aucoin. I don't know how to spell it. I mean, how to pronounce that. But yeah, I know it's a really expensive brand. So let's see how much it is. And I'm excited to try this in the future and let you guys know. Like I said, I'm not going to show you the one, but I'm going to probably insert a picture right here so you guys get the idea. Okay, so this one is $29. So yeah, it's pretty expensive for a mascara. And next item here, ooh, okay, it's from Tarte. You guys know I love Tarte. This is a Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Okay, focus. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, it's like a flower rose. Look at this packaging. This is gorgeous. I love it. Wow, it's really nice. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Like coconut. And look at it. It's like really light pink. Let me try this. Oh my god. I'm gonna apply some on my lips. It feels good. Yeah. Oh my god, this is super cute. I love the packaging. That is gorgeous. That's like a packaging to display like in your vanity or something. It's really nice. Okay, so let me see the price of this. Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. It says you have the real MVP Most Valuable Pout. With this hydrating buttered lip balm, your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. And it is $12. Okay, next item I see here, it's a skincare from the brand Pure Heals by Nature Village, Centella Natty Ampoule. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. I believe this is a serum, I think. Let me see. Oh my gosh, super cool. It's like a gel. It has like those little bubbles. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. Yeah, look at this. It's glass. It's really, really nice. It smells good, like fresh. And look at the applicator, like one of those drops. That is super cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, it's green. I love that color. And let me see what it says. Information about this product. Where is it? Okay, Pure Heals Centella Natty Ampoule Serum. Yeah, it's a serum. It says a soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica extract. Relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. The serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. Okay, that's cool. I'm actually really sensitive to any skincare products, so it's really nice to have something that is mostly for sensitive skin. So that's cool. And it's $28. Okay, and it smells amazing, by the way. Okay, next product here is from Milk Makeup. This is really tiny, actually. I'm not sure if this is full size. Yeah, I think it is, because Milk, they have various, their products are really like small, most of their products, you know. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, look at it. The packaging is cute. Okay, open it. How do I open this? Okay. Oops. Okay, so it has like a little safety seal here. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Okay, finally. Ooh, and I kind of broke it, I think. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. Look at it. It has like a little shimmer, I believe. So this is like, I think it's probably a lipstick and a blush. Let me read it before applying it anywhere. Okay, so it's a glow oil lip and cheek. A sheer shimmery mini lip and cheek tint for a lip from within, glow on the go. So antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear and shakes as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your back pocket, tiny apartment. Okay, so the retail value of this is $15. So I have a little bit on my fingers. You can see I'm gonna apply it on my. I have blush, but it never hurts to have a little bit more blush. Okay, so it's a really light tint. So I don't know if you can see it because I already had, so, but it's a really like pink shimmer, and you can use it also on your lips, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the safety seal before I continue. So yeah, and the next product I see here from the brand Battington. Okay, I believe these are brushes. I love receiving brushes. I love. Ooh, whoa. And these are very luxurious. It's bold and they feel kind of heavy. The bristles are really soft, actually. Wow. And let me see if it says, it doesn't tell you, but I think this is for like setting powder probably, or like blush. And this one, I think you could even apply this foundation. Yeah, you can probably put foundation with this. So let me read it. It says brush set. Okay, so it's a powder brush. Yeah, and then it's a contour foundation brush. Yeah, like I was saying. So then let me see the price of this. It says that it's where is it? Okay, Battington Beauty powder and contour brush set, $90. Oh wow. These are some expensive brushes, guys. I don't think I will pay, you know, $90. It's a little bit pricey for these brushes, but I mean, it's nice to get it, receive it here in a boxy, and they feel really luxurious and heavy, and the color is nice. So yeah, I'm excited to try them out. and that's it. That's everything I received. And I have variation 44. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone and get the calculator and calculate everything so to see the price. Okay, so I received the my light. Okay, the mascara, which is $29. Then the bronzer, which is $30. Then the milk makeup, $15. The brush is $90. The Tarte lip balm, $12. And then the serum, $28. A retail value of $204. So wow, that's way above the price that you're supposed to receive in the Boxycharm. So I'm pretty happy about that. All the products are nice. I mean, it's not a box that I'm like, wow, you know, but it's really cool items. I like the brushes. They're a bit expensive, like to pay by itself, but I'm glad I received it here. I like the bronzer. I'm really happy about the bronzer, the lip balm. So yeah, it's a little bit of everything. Of course, there's things that you like and you don't, but it's really a good box, I think. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please like and subscribe if you like what you see. And yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments below what you receive in your Boxycharm. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.